can't Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today I'm really very excited to be making this video on my channel because first it's a hauling video which I think I'm making after like so long on my channel. Okay, wait. Yeah. And second, it's from Club Factory. I have personally never done any shopping from Club Factory before, so yes, I am really excited about it, and I think it's going to be a new experience for me as well. So I just wanted to share it all with you guys. So yeah, I anyway was receiving a lot of requests from you guys to be making a video on same. So yes, finally we're doing it. Yes. So I just downloaded the app and I was just checking the collection, and while I was at it, holy moly, they have everything. Shoes, home decor stuff, jewelry, clothing, bags and whatnot, and that too at such reasonable prices. Trust me when I say this. So basically you can get all the stylish and fancy products without paying a lot, and that too from their Black Friday sale. So yeah, I'll be showing you what all I got from there, and I will also be sharing the prices with you all. So let's get started. So this is the huge package which I received from Club Factory. Let me open it. So the first thing is this yellow off-shoulder top, crop top, which I got for rupees 387. This is such a nice summery piece. I can style it with almost anything. I mean skirts, high-waisted skinny jeans, and you can also wear a denim jacket on top of it if you feel like. The material is really nice. I was very skeptical. I mean, I was not very sure कि जो ये website पे दिखा रहे if this will turn out to be same, but this actually looks exactly the same. Also, the elastic inside, it's very good. I mean, it's made of really good quality, and when I wore it for the video, the grip is really nice, to be honest. The grip is really nice. It's not something that will slide off very quickly once you're wearing it. So yeah, I'm really happy about it, and this is like very tiny piece. It just looks like a hanky, and this is like a very small piece. You can keep it anywhere, and I mean, I think perfect for your traveling as well. So yeah, 10 points for this one. Okay, so the next product. Alright, so these are the powder pink track pants which I ordered from their app, and these ones are in size small, and I got these ones for rupees 618, which I think is a really nice price for these pants considering its quality and material, which is like really nice and soft. These does not look cheap at all, plus I can wear it on almost everyday basis, either with a shirt, t-shirt, cami top, make it in a athleisure look. These have these 3 stripes going on at the side and also have drawstrings at front. The color in itself is so cute. It's a very summery piece to have in your wardrobe, and again these look exactly how it was shown on their app, and I'm really very happy about it. And now I just think I do not have to worry about whether the product will turn out to be same or not, because trust me, it will. And while we were shooting, on top of those powder pink track pants, I chose to wear this red cami top, which is my absolute favorite because it just screams my style. It fits perfectly on me, and this one is for rupees 296, which I think is quite a steal considering its quality and material. It's very soft. Again, you can keep it anywhere in your handbag. Trust me, material is very thin, which I think is perfect for summers. So yeah, and again it looks exactly how it was shown on their app, and I'm really happy about it. I think the best part of this haul is that I'm getting all the products how it was shown. So yeah, it just makes me so much happier, and again the quality and price. Thanks Club Factory, thanks. So next I got 2 accessories for myself. Just look at the packaging of all the products which I have just got till now. Yeah, I'm really happy about the packaging. Okay, let me open the first one. Okay, so these are the pair of retro golden earrings. These look decent, these look classy, and I am going to wear them a lot. I can see no scratch on it, which just tells that it's a fresh new pair. So yeah, thanks. Also, one more thing which I wanted to tell you guys is that they also have these bubble wrap going on inside this, you know, a paper package, which I think is very thoughtful. Great going, Club Factory till now. I'm really impressed. Yeah. These ones I got for rupees 125, which I think is okay, because it's just a one-time investment and you can later wear them with almost on anything and everything. But most probably I'm going to wear these a lot on my, you know, formal looks, parties, for my parties and events. And these are very lightweight. These does not look cheap at all. The quality is really nice. Shine, as you can see, is really good. Yeah, 10 points. And next, okay. And next I got this, okay. Let me open it. It's a bubble wrap. One more packaging. Okay. It's basically this chain necklace sort of thing. It's like a golden chain. I just wanted one so that I can wear it on almost everyday basis, because I like wearing, you know, golden accessories. I just wanted one for my neck as well, so I just ordered this one. I really like its quality. Shine is amazing, trust me. It looks so fresh, it looks new. And again, no scratch. And I got this one for rupees 116, which I think is great considering its quality. I just love it, man. This looks actually great. I can pair it with everything. Trust me, this will go with everything. So I think paying 116 is not a big deal. Yeah. I was quite excited for this one, especially because I have never owned anything in white color. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a waist bag. Okay, fine, ulta tha. It's a waist bag. It's written, all you need is less. This is something which I have been wanting from so long. It also has this chain detailing. You sort of wear it like this. You can also wear it on your waist. Choice is all yours. It just has this single chain. That's it. But you can carry your small things like your sanitizer, sanitary napkins, perfume, wallet, metro card. I'm sorry, I'm being awkward right now. Yeah. And even if I'm going to gym, I can carry this one. And I got this one for rupees 396. I think it was available in 2 colors, black and white. I picked white, obviously. And again, material is really nice, very soft. It also has some chain detailing going on. You can, you know, adjust its size, and it also has this buckle thing. I love it so much. Just perfect, man. And finally, seventh thing which I got is one more top which I got for myself. This is basically a red mesh top, full sleeves, sort of translucent, so I chose to wear a bralette inside. Now I already have one mesh top in black color, so I just wanted to have one more in different color so that I have some diversity in my closet. And this one, I was very skeptical about this one in particular, because okay, let me add the picture here. I was very skeptical how it will turn out in real, but it's Club Factory. It turned out exactly how it was shown on their app, and I'm very satisfied with this one. And this one I got for rupees 354, but this is something which I can wear a lot to my parties, for my events. And you know, wearing a top and investing 354 on a product like this and wearing it to a party, it just saves you a lot of money. Just think about it. I'm like so happy and satisfied with this one again. So yeah, that's all I had for you guys today. I am satisfied with each and every product, to be honest. I was not expecting it, but that's just how it is. I am really very happy about each and every product which I have just showed you guys, and yeah, I'm going to wear them a lot, and you guys are going to see me wearing these a lot on my Instagram, because I put a lot of stories and pictures there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do let me know your favorite one in the comments down below. Also, before leaving, I will be linking all of these in the description box down below so you can buy them directly, making your work a lot more easier. Thanks me later. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe and like and share this video, like if you want to spread a word about how Club Factory actually is. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.